We're always within plus or minus 10 bucks of the box stores, always. Yeah. Morning, I'm Jake from VP Supply. We're going to go over the monthly tool specials for our March flyer. And there are the brand new DeWalt POWERSTACK 5 amp hour batteries. So we carry these in a 2-pack. The 2-pack's always a better value. The POWERSTACK batteries, instead of being cylinder shaped batteries inside the casing, are flat cells. These have 50% more power, they last longer, and they're a lot lighter weight. These 5 amp hour batteries act as if they're an 8 amp hour, so the lifespan on them is incredible. And there is the Klein glow-in-the-dark fish tape. This is brand new. This is the 40-foot version. The key thing here is it's a clear casing so that you can charge the glow-in-the-dark fiberglass fish. While it's still in here, you don't have to retract it to do so. Third item on our flyer for March is the Milwaukee MX Fuel sewer drum machine with the power treads. This will take the 5/8 or 3/4 inch cable, and it's part of the MX Fuel system. Larger battery platform for the bigger tools. This is part of that. Foot pedal actuated. When you lock this handle down and have this in forward, the cable comes out. When you flip the handle, it retracts. And if you release this lock, this is what spins the cable in place. Forward or reverse. Those are the tool specials for March. Please make sure when you're in store to scan the QR code and fill out a quick survey to be notified about upcoming events and specials. Thank you for shopping with VP.